Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a limited edition to share with you. It's from Lookfantastic and it's their 2024 beauty egg. Now their beauty egg is a popular one. It is sold out 7 years running. It contains 7 beauty products, including a newly launched product from Sala de Janeiro, which I can't wait to try, and you'll be seeing that first. And 6 other items from Medicate and Elmis and more. It retails for £60 and it has a value of £206. Oh, this is what it looks like out the box. This video is sponsored by Lookfantastic. They've kindly sent me this beauty egg so I can share it with you. Plus they've given me a discount code which will entitle you to receive £5 off, and that's Diary BB. I'll pop a link to the egg down below in my description, as well as my code and any other offers and beauty boxes Lookfantastic currently have on their website. Then you'll find it all listed down there, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. See how well I can do this. Just to give you a sneak peek what's inside. Oh, you might not be able to see anything. No. Pull off the worms. There. It's a little QR code, so I'll scan that. That will give us more information about the products. So I've just scanned the QR code and there's no information coming up about it yet, but it's on pre-order at the moment and it goes on general sale on the 11th of March. So by the time you get your eggs, you'll be able to scan and information will come up about all the products. Starting off then with the TikTok trending product. I've yet to smell it. This is Sala de Janeiro and this is Delícia Drench Body Butter. So this is their newest release. So it's Cheirosa 59 fragrance. It contains a prebiotic hibiscus and Brazilian soothing complex. It's enhanced with scents from sugared violets, sheer sandalwood and vanilla orchid. Look how thick that is. Oh, I love their body butters and I don't care that it's going to go in my fingers. Well, not my fingers, it's my nails. Okay. There. It feels amazing. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like chocolate. It's the vanilla in there. Oh, it smells so nice. I was expecting it to have more of a stronger violet scent. I love the smell of violet, always have done. But no, it's not. It's a really nice mix. But it smells just like chocolate. It does, it smells like chocolate. And my hand feels really nice now. So yeah. So we've got a body butter from Sala de Janeiro, Delícia Drench. There's that. Next up, we've got a facial oil from ELEMIS, and this is their Superfood Facial Oil. There's 15 mils here. This is full size and it retails for £50. It's a nourishing facial oil enriched with antioxidant, broccoli seed and flaxseed oil that hydrates the skin and encourages a brighter complexion. Now you'd think, ooh, broccoli, is it going to smell like veg on my face? No, it doesn't. It has a really, really nice scent. It smells to me like it's got lemon in it, as if it's got lavender in it. I'm not very good at describing scents, clearly, but definitely not broccoli. It's just a really nice, gorgeous aromatherapy type smell, you know, like a spa. You'd smell this going into a nice spa or a steam room, you know. So yes, I'm just blending that in just to show you how well that absorbs into the skin. It leaves the skin feeling really nice and soft. It's not too tacky either, so after a bit of downtime, if you apply it before you go to bed, you're not going to be sticking to your other half or the bedclothes or anything like that. No, it's a really lovely oil. It says, do not eat, this is a cosmetic. Okay then. We've got a facial oil from ELEMIS. Next, we've got Medicate, one of my favourite skincare brands. It is an eye cream. This is Crystal Retinal Ceramide Eye 6. It comes in different strengths. This is number 6, so it's sort of like the middle of the range. And this is a smooth and lift eye cream. There's 15 mils here. This is full size and it retails for £54. It contains 0.06% slow release retinaldehyde. I'll just put a little bit on the corner there for a brighter, smoother, youthful, more looking eye area. I've been using this for a while now. I'm actually on my 2nd, so I'll be saving this as I will continue to use it. It blends in nicely, the colour, don't be put off. The retinol serum is exactly the same as well, but it does blend in to your skin. I've put on quite a bit actually, haven't I? Oh, wasting it. But no, I wanted to show you exactly what it looks like. So it blends in nicely to your skin. Obviously you tap it around your eye area and yeah, it does its magic. So we've got a night cream for your eyes from Medicate, and it's the Crystal number 6. Next up, we've got Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is Dewy Set. It's a setting spray. There's 100 mils here. This is full size, and it retails for £26. It looks really pretty. How sparkly is it? I've never tried it before, so I'm curious. Is it the design of the bottle, or is it the actual gold bits inside? I don't know. I'll give it a spray now anyway. But it's a refreshing coconut and vanilla scented setting spray that can be used either on top of your makeup to set your makeup, or on your bare skin, all throughout the day to create a luminosity. So yeah, have I showed you what it looks like? I think I just pulled it out and started checking it out myself, didn't I? So yeah, okay. Give it a shake first, as you normally do. Oh, I like the mist. It's a fine mist. It's not a powerhouse of a mist that's gonna like wreck your makeup. Oh, I can't tell. It looks wet. I can't tell. We'll have to wait until that dies down a little bit. I absolutely love a dewy look to my face. I tend to do it on my side, so let's give this a go. Look, oh my gosh, it just feels so nice. Ooh. We do one side and see if we can compare it to the other. But yeah, I love the spray. It's really nice and fine. The glitter on the bottle is just the bottle. I don't think it's full of glitter because I can't see it on my hand there anyway. It just, yeah, it's still drying down a bit. I will show you in a minute. But can you see a difference between that side and that side? Or does it just look wet? If I put it in the middle, it tends to make me look a bit sweaty. So I just put it just on, as you saw there, just on the side. So let's do this one as well then, so just so it matches the other side. So that's what my hand looks like. See, it's not full of glitter, but it has like a very, very subtle dewy sheen to my hand. Yeah, I like that. I love that. I love that. If it was pure glitter, then I'd be like, whew, okay, only for very, very special occasions. And I'd have to be really careful because I wouldn't want my whole face to look like a glitter ball. But no, it's not. It's a dewy one. On to another facial mist. And this is a multi-purpose facial mist by Caudalie. This is the Beauty Elixir for a soothing, glowing complexion. There's 30 mils there. And this is deluxe size and is worth £15. This spray is enriched with botanical properties which help to refine pores and to give you a healthy looking glow on the glow. So this is more of a skincare facial mist as opposed to a makeup setting spray. I love my facial sprays and I love this one. The smell, oh, it's just so nice. It's quite lemony. It's just so lovely. I do really like it. With this one, I'd apply it on my skin after I've done, say, a liquid exfoliant. Or if I'm not doing an exfoliant that day, after I've cleansed my face is dry, then I will go over with this, give it a good old spray, and then while it's still damp, then I'd go on to apply hyaluronic acid and then like a treatment, serum and moisturizer, etc. So this is how I'd use this spray, as opposed to this one. I would use it after I've applied my makeup and maybe top up throughout the day. The smell is absolutely beautiful. So we've got a Beauty Elixir by Caudalie. Next we've got a mascara from Iconic London. This is Enrich and Elevate mascara. Full size, and it retails for £22. This mascara contains an active growth agent which helps to support length, curl and lift. I never knew that. It's got a little curve to it. Barely there bristles, so it looks like a really odd type of mascara, but you might have heard me banging on about Iconic London mascaras. I've got really short, thin, straight lashes, and they really do work. It just grips my lashes, and yeah, I really like it. So we've got a black mascara from Iconic London. It's volumizing, I should say. It's a volumizing mascara. And lastly, we've got something for your hair. This is by Kingsley, and this is Elasti-Styler Multitasker for all hair types, a 5-in-1 treatment. There's 100 mils here, full size, and it retails for £29. This 5-in-1 treatment acts as a leave-in hair mask. It smooths down flyaways and helps promote stronger looking hair. It strengthens, conditions, primes, tames and adds shine for perfectly manageable, healthy hair. It says starting with a large pea-size amount, work through the mid-lengths and ends of towel-dried hair, blow dry and style as usual. A small amount can be applied to dry hair. I have actually got one of these in my drawer. behind me there. I haven't used it yet, so I can't tell you anything about it from personal experience. What I'd be looking out for when I try this is to see how it suits my very thin, fine hair. I wear a halo hair extension to thicken up my hair, but naturally my hair is very thin and very fine and very flyaway, so it'd be interesting to see how this acts on my hair. And those are all the products that are inside this year's Lookfantastic Beauty Egg. There's 7 products inside. It has a value of £206. I have a code for £5 off, which will entitle you to get it for £55. as it retails for £60. And I'll just go through it all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got Medicate Crystal Retinol Eye Treatment. This is number 6. This is to be applied at night. We've got Sol de Janeiro Delícia Drench Body Butter. We've got Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Setting Spray. We've got Iconic London Enrich and Elevate Black Mascara. We've got a Caudalie Beauty Elixir, a facial mist. We've got an ELEMIS Superfood Facial Oil. And lastly, Kingsley Elasti-Styler, a 5-in-1 treatment. You'll find all details listed down below in my description. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts now that you've actually seen it, or what do you think of it? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.